Healthy Lifestyle Crib presents 10 of the greatest vegetables for a keto diet. No, I don't think avocados beat broccoli. When it comes to veggies, which ones are suitable for a keto diet? A team of doctors and nutritionists is responsible for providing this information. To put it another way, we're familiar with the concept of keto. If it grows out of the ground, it's probably a better choice for a low-carbohydrate diet like the ketogenic diet. Why? In the roots, plants store the majority of their carbohydrates. Staying under 20 grams of net carbohydrates per day is recommended as part of the keto diet. A 100-gram serving of a root, like potatoes, contains around 15 grams of net carbohydrates. If you're in a hurry, here are our picks for the 10 greatest keto vegetables, listed in order of popularity and ease of preparation for keto diets. Number 10. Brussels sprouts. These tasty morsels include only 5 grams of carbs per 100 grams, yet they pack a powerful flavor punch. Roast them with bacon or shred them in a salad for a tasty alternative. Number 9. Green beans. 4 grams of carbs. Haricot vert are string beans or other names for this bean variety. Go green bean whenever you want with a bag of frozen green beans in your freezer. Number 8. Kale. 3 grams of carbs per 100. When baked in casseroles or tossed with salad dressing, it becomes incredibly soft. It's also great in smoothies or as a crunchy snack. Number 7. Asparagus. 2 grams. These spears are perfect for achieving ketosis. You can steam, grill, or fry them. Number 6. Spinach. 1 gram. Sauté, cream, or serve it raw in salads. Try making a spinach omelette for breakfast. It's quite impossible to overindulge on anything with only 1 gram of carbohydrates. Number 5. Zucchini. 3 grams. Your new favorite pasta, zoodles, can be made with a simple kitchen tool called a spiralizer. Number 4. Cabbage. 3 grams. Cabbage may be many things to many people. It can be used as a wrap, a spaghetti substitute, or cut thinly into a slaw for a refreshing summer salad. Number 3. Broccoli. 4 grams. Protein and fiber packed. Do not hesitate to experiment with the variety of ways you can serve it. Number 2. Avocado. 2 grams. Nutrient-packed and a good source of healthful fat. Whether sliced, mashed, or roasted, avocados are delicious. Number 1. Cauliflower. 3 grams. The winner has been revealed. Many of your favorite high-carb dishes can be substituted. You won't miss potatoes after trying it mashed. You may also use it to make a delicious rice dish or a crispy pizza crust. Per 100-gram serving, none of these foods have more than 5 grams of net carbohydrates. Remember that if it grows above ground, it's probably better for your keto diet because you won't be consuming the root of the plant. If you'd like to eat more foods that are suitable for the ketogenic diet, check out our website, link in description, for easy and simple recipes. Thanks for watching.